guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Nami, your host. I'm going to do a very quick analysis on gold for today. As you see, the price reacted to this trend line that I said we can have a buy for a long term. In a week, we moved a lot on the gold, and especially after the war conflict. You see how on the daily time frame we moved up, made a support, moved up, made a support, and again today, since Asian Open moved up, now we are in the middle of the London Open. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. We see that this new 4-hour candle that's open is going to close in 3 hours. The previous one closed above these areas. Let me readjust this. Okay. The next resistance for us is going to be here. I'm going to break it down to 1 hour to see how is the data looking for us. Okay, I prefer make this a bit like that. So in this situation, I'm looking for a move up and support meeting, so I can, let me turn off this auto shit. Okay. Today I don't have my setup, so I'm recording on my laptop. Come on, man. So okay, I'm back. So after this closure above this area, as you can see on the 30 minutes time frame, it's a clean range to the upside onto 80, 89, 80, 90, let's say. But I'm going to wait to see any sort of confirmation that we're gonna keep going up, like something like this happening or these, and then I'm going to take a long. I prefer to do it on the New York Open, but as I see today, we have a lot of volume. So if I start that, it's going to be like this, with the stop loss below this area and the take profit around this area, the full take profit. But as you know, if you were seeing my videos, I'm going to take profit in the 20 pip range. So my maximum is going to be 25 pip, and then I will close 90% and let the 10% run for the bigger move. Because on gold, you can predict the 70 pip move, 100 pip move easily. So learned that if I always take some profits, I will be more profitable than letting it run and maybe it goes for like 40 pip and come back and hit my stop loss. That would be the very big pain. So I prefer to take my profit around 20 pip and let the rest run and put my stop loss to the BE. I will keep this recording as long as it's possible, so I will give an update. Meanwhile, let's check the calendar. Okay, today is 13th of October. We have inflation rate in China. So we had this. That's why we had the big move. Their inflation was forecast to 0.2% and actual came 0 for the yearly. That's very interesting number. And for rest of today, we will have some Michigan consumer statement. That's it. So let's see how it's going to be our trade goes. Okay, guys, as you see, the full take profit has been hit. It's something around 100 pip, 95 pip. This kind of move is not every day happening, but when it's happened, it's nice. The point is I want to mention is the New York Open, you see how price went up around this area. Actually, let me tell you this first. At 25 pip, as I said, I made my position 90% close and let the rest run like 10% to the full take profit. Now, what I'm seeing is to getting a strong confirmation around these areas to going for a gold short. If this uptrend move is going to continue, the next resistance is going to be 1910, or we are already at 1900. So I'm going to check the 1 hour to see what kind of candle I'm going to see, and keeping eye for the closing of my swing trade that I told you earlier. I got it from here. You see the price is now coming to this trend line. So we had a beautiful spot trade here. Wow, 700 pip in a week. That's a big move. It's correct this week down move. Okay, I'm looking for a confirmation later on for a short for gold. I'm not going to long it anymore, not today. Today is Friday. That was my last trade, one trade a day. And don't over risk. That's the only way you can keep your profits big. So that's it, guys. Just a quick update how I'm trading. I'm looking for some sort of confirmation to get the short to the downtrend here for the next week or 2 week.